Our logistics center here is brand new. It was 2.5 years under construction when we purchased the land. We had actually to fill the land with about 3,000 truckloads of soil in order to lift our level. And we have built now a 10,000 square meter distribution center here with a live load of about 8 tons per square meter in a high rise. The high rise is 17 meters high that you see behind us. It carries about 16,000 pallet positions, of whom about 12,000 are currently occupied. The warehouse is built in a way that it can be expanded, so also the land size supports this. It's about 32 rai. So when this warehouse is running out of space, I can basically mirror this warehouse to the back of the land again. And this should give us ample growth opportunities for the next 10 years or 15 years even, until our retirement, I think. Supply chain management is a little bit of a buzzword. Everybody is talking about it. Not sure whether everybody really knows what it means and what it is about. Let's say we are not a big company like Mercedes-Benz or Bayer or other very famous companies. For us, most of our items are very small, they're very heavy. Our customers basically order in looses and cartons, that means single pieces, and we allow that. And that makes it rather difficult actually to achieve the economies that you want to achieve with normal supply chain management, where you really have very clear forecasting from the customer side or actual retail data, and then it flows back until the factory. This is very difficult for us to achieve. One, because most of our customers are either not able or not willing to share data. Secondly, also our supplier base. Most of our European suppliers are medium to small sized companies which have already trouble to communicate in English, for example. So that makes it very hard actually to achieve there some sort of integration. Having said this, what we can do is within the Häfele group, where we are having now 36, 37 subsidiaries, within the Häfele group, we have significant opportunities for supply chain management to achieve some benefits. Notably because of Häfele Thailand being the biggest subsidiary in Asia and having a very large stock range across our product portfolio with about more than 20,000 SKUs in stock. That means all our colleagues in Southeast Asia, for example, or in Asia, are able to draw on our stock. They're able to see our stock, they're able to order from our stock, they're able to sell our stock to their customers in their countries, which normally they would not be able to do if they would have to work on their own, basically. So this is a very, very big benefit. The same when we had been much smaller 10 years ago, we did the same when we started the business here in Thailand by ordering the product from Häfele, Germany actually. So and until today, we have 2 times a week an air freight coming in from Germany actually with all the items where we didn't have any forecast, where we ran out of stock, and we air freighted in for the customer free of charge basically. So having said this, we have for such items with very low frequency of selling, we have a very flexible supply chain. We can react very fast by being able to air freight it in from Germany, for example. And for the items which are fast sellers and top sellers, we have the volumes and we have the capacity actually with this new distribution center to handle it on our own.